If you've been feeling stuck or unsure, like something inside of you is waiting to awaken, then this video is for you. Today, we're opening the road to your true self so you can step forward on your path to clarity, courage, and power. My name is Sandra. I'm the author of Crafting the Wiccan Path, and I help witches who are struggling to start a practice or deepen a practice to confidently integrate magic into their everyday lives with ease. And a way to do that is to do a road opening spell. And that's what we're going to do today. Remove the blockages that are keeping you stuck and stifled so that you can step into who you truly are. We're doing two things today. We're going to create a road opener oil and then do a really short, quick road opening spell, all with Hecate. Before we dive in though, if you've been wanting to work with Hecate to do shadow work or to fully step into the confident version of you and step into your witch power, I have a free video class called Awaken Your Power with Hecate. And in that class, I guide you through 4 steps to connecting with Hecate and stepping into the version of you that you truly know deep down inside you are, but haven't had the confidence to step into. That's Awaken Your Power with Hecate. There's a link in the description field below this video, and you can also find it on my website, mysterywitchschool.com, under my freebies tab. A road opener is a spell that clears away blockages and obstacles that could be stopping you from successfully achieving what it is you're wanting to achieve. We often do road openers right at the beginning of a spell sequence so that the spell that we're doing can flow freely, so that the manifestation can come easily. Because sometimes there's blockages to the things that you want, and those blockages can be physical things, or they can actually be things within yourself. And when it comes to shadow work and identity shifting and magic, the blockages are usually our old programs, our thoughts, our beliefs, our energetic assumptions that are stopping us from moving forward. And so doing a road opening spell will help reveal what these blockages are and make it easier for you to actually release them and move them out of the way so that you can more comfortably step into that version of you that you know deep down inside you are, but you just haven't been allowing yourself to step into yet. Now, Hecate, being a goddess of liminal spaces and the crossroads, she's also the torchbearer. She helps you see what's in your way. She can unblock your paths and she can help you remove obstacles that are in your way. And often when it comes to magic, a road opener is all you need. Sometimes you don't even need to do a spell because maybe all that's keeping you from being who you want to be, or going where you want to go, or having what you want to have is actually just some kind of obstacle or blockage that just needs to be removed. So I'm going to show you how to do a road opening oil, and that oil you can use to anoint yourself if you're feeling there's any blockages, or if you're feeling a little bit blocked or a little bit slack where you feel you need some doors open for you. You can either anoint yourself with this oil on a daily basis, or you can use it to anoint your candles or in any other way that you use oils in your magic. Then we're going to do a really quick candle spell with a key. So grab yourselves an old key that sort of looks interesting in some way, because that's the key you're going to use to open the door. So let's go ahead and do the spell. So for this spell, what you need is that key, that old key. I'm going to use clove oil, I'm using frankincense oil, and I'm also using bergamot oil. If you need a carrier oil, so if you're making the oil to use on your body, then do use a carrier oil. I'm using almond oil in this case. I have an orange candle and a little jug to put the oil in, or you could have a bottle that you put the oil in. I usually make it up in a jug first and then I pour it into a bottle for later. And I'm also using a bay leaf as well, which I'm going to scrunch up into little pieces to prep it. Herb of bay, open the way, and invite Hecate. Oh, Hecate. Oh, Hecate. Oh, Hecate. Be with me in this spell as I create road opening oil to open the way. to remove all obstacles that are in my path. So first off, I'm going to make the oil because I'm going to use the oil in the spell. So I've got my bay leaf in the jug already. I'm going to throw in a few drops of frankincense oil. Frankincense, open the way. Some clove oil. Oil of clove, open the way. And bergamot oil. Oil of bergamot, open the way. I'm going to put it with a little bit of carrier oil, which is the almond oil. And if you've got a bottle, just shake it up. I'm just going to twirl this around. Mix it all up. By Hecate's guidance, I open the way. All blocks and obstacles clear. My path to my true self is illuminated. So mote it be. Often when I'm doing a spell or I'm charging something up, I like to vibrate my voice into the cup or into the candle or into the talisman or whatever it is that I'm making, because it's all about vibration. Now it's time to do the spell. So I'm going to anoint the candle. So because I'm wanting to remove obstacles, I'm going to anoint the candle from the base of the candle right up to the tip of the candle. Remove all obstacles. Open the way, open the way, open the way, Hecate. And when I'm doing a candle spell without a candle holder, I just like to melt the wax a little bit so the candle doesn't fall over. Make sure you are using a tile or something that is totally fireproof if you are going to be burning candles down without a holder. You can even anoint yourself with the oil. Open the way, Hecate. You can anoint your pulses on the palms of your hand and even anoint the soles of your feet. Now we're going to consecrate the key. I cleanse and consecrate this key so that it may serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. I charge this key in the name of Hecate. Oh, Hecate, bless this key, that it may open doors and open the way to my true self, so that I can remember who I am and create the life I came here to create. Oh, Hecate, open the way. Oh, Hecate, open the way. Oh, Hecate, open the way. And just placing the key down and lighting the candle. We're just going to move the candle through the heat of the flame. In all directions. And just holding the key now to the flame and saying, I open the roads within me that lead to my true self. By Hecate's light, I open the road to my truth. Open the way, open the way, open the way, Hecate. Clear my path, clear my path, clear my path, oh Hecate. Open the way, open the way, open the way, Hecate. Light my way, light my way, light my way, oh goddess Hecate. And just move a little bit of the key through the flame and turn it as if you're opening a door. And as you do that, you imagine that you've just opened the door. The door is now open. You can walk through it. The obstacle, which was the door, is now open and you can walk straight through. Allow the candle to burn down. You can do a little bit of meditation at this point with Hecate. Just ask her to reveal to you what the obstacles are and how you could best remove them. If they're something within yourself, like old beliefs or thoughts or assumptions, they will be revealed to you. But if you're doing a road opener for anything else, you don't necessarily need to know what the obstacles are. They can just be there and be gone without you even knowing what they were or how they were even vanished. All you feel now is that you can now move freely through. The door is open and you can walk through. When you're finished the spell or you're finished your meditation, just use an anointing oil, or if you have other offerings to Hecate, so that could be just honey, it could be eggs and honey, it could be wine, it could be pomegranate. I like to use essential oils, and so I'm using dragon's blood oil here, and I anoint my wrists and I just offer the scent to Hecate. I thank you, Hecate, for your presence in my right. I thank you, local spirits, blessed be. Whenever I do a spell, I thank the deity that I'm working with. I also thank the spirits that are local. That means the house spirits and the spirits local to where you live and perform your rites. It's like acknowledging them and also giving them gratitude and getting them on side so that things flow smoothly around the house and things just flow smoothly around your proximity in general. So just have a think for a minute. Who would you be? Who would you be being if there was nothing in your way? There weren't any self-doubts, if you weren't concerned about this or that or other people, if other people weren't in your way or appearing to be in your way, how would things be different for you? What would your life be like? Have a think for a moment, because the whole magical act is an act of change, of transformation, influencing and bringing about the life you want to live. And that does mean changing who you are or who you feel you are. It's stepping into the version of you who is living that life. And that's a version of you that you've forgotten. It's not like you have to be someone else or you have to create a new identity and a new image. You're simply remembering who you were all along. Because the you that has the self-doubt, the you that's blocking yourself from moving forward and doing the things you want to do and having what you want to have, isn't the real you. And this month, I'm inviting you to step into who you truly are with the help of Hecate and the tarot. Because this month, I'm celebrating 12 months of a journey with Hecate, which is my 4-month course where you get to work with Hecate on shadow work and stepping into the true version of you and remembering who you are. And when I work with Hecate, I work a lot with the tarot and Hecate. And so this month I'm offering my tarot course, the Confident Tarot Reader, which is a complete course in how to read the tarot cards. I'm offering that free with a journey with Hecate. So if you enroll in a journey with Hecate before the end of this month, the 30th of November, you will also get the Confident Tarot Reader with that free. The Journey with Hecate course is about transforming into who you truly are, your true witch self, the self you know yourself to be, but you just haven't been able to get there yet because of all the blockages in the way. Working with Hecate, she's going to help remove those blockages and show you how to remove those blockages and help you step into that version of you through meditations and rituals with her, with Hecate herself. Plus, you will also learn how to incorporate the tarot into your shadow work journey. So the journey with Hecate for this month isn't just the course working with Hecate or the mini course that goes with that one, which is shadow work with tarot. You're actually getting the tarot course as well. And Hecate communicates with a lot of people through the tarot. So take advantage of that double offer. There's a link in the description field below this video. Go to a Journey with Hecate link and it'll take you to my website. You can also find that on my website as well under my courses tab, and you'll be able to sign up for a Journey with Hecate and the Confident Tarot Reader at the same time. Now, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Blessed be.